What we do here is go back.
Making our way to Durham, North Carolina. Welcome to another episode of Rollin' with Nick Campus Tours. I'm your host, Nicholas Ramsey, and today we are at the Duke University. Now, just like UNC Chapel Hill, and if you didn't see that episode, go ahead and click on this link right here because that's a good episode too. But just like their basketball team is doing well, this basketball team here is doing well as well. So according to the Associated Press, for the 2023 to 2024 season, the Duke men's basketball team ranked number 9 in the top, I think like 25 of the, college basketball teams, who's the best and whatnot. So if you need that to be fact checked, you can check that out right here. But anyways, y'all, so we have a lot to cover today, so we're not going to waste any time. But before we get started, please do me a huge favor. For real, y'all, it truly helps the channel more than you know. Just a like a day keeps this channel going. So if you just hit that like button, comment, it could be something as simple as hi, subscribe, get these subscribers up, please. Turn on post notifications so you miss any of the latest content. Now that we got the housekeeping out the way, we're gonna go around the school, see what it has to offer, and see if it may be a fit just for you. So without wasting any more time, let's go ahead and let's get rolling. Alright, y'all, before we move forward, I want to give a huge shout out to MJEN Drinks for these drinks. Thank you so much. They taste so good. They're refreshing. They have so many different flavors. I encourage you all to go check them out on Instagram. Purchase from them. Their Instagram link is going to be right here. MJEN Drinks, MJEN Drinks. They taste so good. They're so refreshing. They have different benefits for each of the drinks. We have pineapple guava here. We have sorrel blast. We have pineapple sunshine. We have beetroot infusion. Check them out, purchase from them. They're so great, and I don't regret buying from them. All right, y'all. So our first stop today is going to be the place I always say I love the most, and it's the place I visit first when I go to colleges, the Student Center. So they have, I think, 3 levels here. They have food places, 2 theaters, and here their bookstore is also attached to the Student Center. They have seating areas, outside seating areas, y'all. It's beautiful over here, so I'm just going to go ahead and show y'all what they got going on. Located on Duke's West Campus, this is the Brodhead Center. It is the hub of campus dining with 13 individual restaurants. Also, flexible gathering spaces and meeting rooms are available as well. There are 5 conference rooms, 2 theater-style rooms, 1 classroom, and 1 living room available for reservation. The rooms are available during the weekdays and weekends from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m.
What we do here is go back.
Located at the center of campus and also one of the landmarks here at Duke University, this is the Duke University Chapel. It was finished in 1935, it seats about 1,800 people and stands at 210 feet, making it one of the largest or tallest buildings, I should say, in Durham County. Completed in 1930 as the General Library, this West Campus landmark has been renovated several times, and in 1970 it was renamed the Perkins Library. It is the main library for the West Campus of Duke University. And for all of my engineers, this is the Pratt School of Engineering. So it actually looked really nice when I went there, and I heard that they are ranked very well here in the United States, so you may want to check it out if you are interested in getting into engineering.
That wraps up another episode of Campus Tours. I want to thank you all so much, and if you made it to the end, you are a real one. And if you have still not liked, you can still go ahead and like this video. So y'all, thank you so much. Until the next video, y'all, please remember, stay safe, stay happy, stay blessed, tell someone that you love them, and I will see you all later.